स्टूडेंट, प्रीवियस क्लास में आपने एक्सरसाइज 10 की थी और एडिशन आपने सीखा था, ठीक है, फ्रैक्शंस का। तो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 11 में आपकी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है। वर्ड प्रॉब्लम मीन स्टेटमेंट की सूरत में मैथ में जो होती हैं, और इन्हें आपने ये डिसाइड करना है कि बेसिकली एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन करके, और आप जैसे कि पहले ही यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न हाउ टू ऐड 1/2 प्लस 1/5. सो in this example, exercise 11, question number 1, a girl did 1/2 of her homework on फ्राइडे को उसने 1/2 यानी कि आधा काम कर लिया, एंड 1/3 ऑफ द वर्क ऑन सैटरडे, और देन द वर्क 1/3 जो है यानी 3 में से एक हिस्सा मजीद उसने ऑन सैटरडे। तो द वन क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आंसर, व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द वर्क हैज़ बीन डन, व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द वर्क इज स्टिल टू बी डन। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि द वर्क इज़, आपको इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे कि एडिशन करेंगे, यानी कि 1/2 वर्क डन, दैट्स मीन यू हैव टू ऐड 1/2 प्लस, एंड द नेक्स्ट शी डन 1/3. How much she done? 1/3. So you have to add them, and you know that how to add. In the rough work you can do it by adding them. First of all, we have to take LCM of 2 of 3 and 2 of 3 LCM. How we get the LCM of 2 and 3? So by this method we can get the LCM, and now with the 3, and the LCM is 2/3 is 6. So 6, and what we do, 1 plus 1. First we divide this LCM to this number and get the number. So the table of 2, if we read to the 3 we get the 6, so we have to multiply 3 by 1 to this, and 3 2 times 6, so 2, 3/1, that is 3, plus 2 by 1 is 2, so that is 6, and that is equal to the 5/6. Then from the 6th part, that if we divide the whole work in the 6 equal parts, the 5 parts is done. Okay, so if you want to get the answer, and in class 4 you have already learned, you have to divide it 6/5, 5 by 1, 5 1 5, 5 minus 1, and for after, if we want to divide the 1 we have to put point, and we can add 0 over here, and 5 2 times 10, and that is 1.2. Okay, so with this method you can do these word problems. And now is your exercise, you have to complete exercise 11, and sometime we have to divide and sometime we have to subtract. Now the other question is, you can see that they are asking in the book, what fraction of the work is still to be done. She not completed work. If we divided the work in the part 6, and if the 5 parts are work, so I can draw a diagram to understand this, how much work I have done. Look, I have divided this work into the equal to the 6 parts. Okay, and if I shade the 5 parts of the work is done 1 2 3 4 5. So that's mean 5/6 is done. So how much is remaining? one part of the work out of 6. So how much is the remaining? How much is the remaining? One part out of 6 is still remaining. Okay. So if we add this together, we will get 1. 1 mean whole, complete. Okay. So if you want to find out, you can find with the help of diagram, and if you don't want to use the diagram, then you can use mathematical calculations. Look, the whole part is 1. From 1, if you subtract the part you have done, the girl have done, that is minus 5 over 6. So now what I have to do? I have to do for a time, and I know that if I divide 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. It's not a problem. So what I do now, I will take again the LCM of these two numbers, that will be 6, 1 and 5. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to the LCM. You have to make this number equal to the LCM, and the number you multiplied you have to write in the bracket 6, and now 1, and that will be 6 by 1, 6, 1 by 5, 5 over 6, and if I subtract 6 from the 6, 5, I will get 1 over 6. The same answer we have got before in the diagram. Okay, the diagrams are more easier. We can understand very easily.